get ready for a massive AI update that's rewriting the rules. The pace of innovation is absolutely blistering, and if you're not plugged in, you're missing out. We're diving deep into game-changing developments that you need to know about right now. We're starting with a major collaboration bringing a powerful OpenAI model to an enterprise AI cloud, setting new benchmarks for speed and cost. Next, we're exploring a surprising shift in the world of large language models. The latest iteration promised to be the smartest yet, but users are finding something quite different, and it's sparking a major debate about AI personality and user experience. It's a fascinating look at how AI is evolving and how we interact with it. Then, prepare to be amazed by an open-source AI that's not just talking the talk, but walking the walk in speech-to-speech interaction. This new model is outperforming even the most advanced commercial systems, offering incredible expressiveness and real-time capabilities that are set to revolutionize audio AI. And finally, we're heading to Latin America to meet a pioneering project building AI tailored for the region, emphasizing collaboration and technological independence. This is about empowering communities and shaping the future of AI from the ground up. Stick around for all these incredible stories and more. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join the AI revolution. Cerebras and Core42 power OpenAI's GPT-OSS 120B for enterprise AI. Cerebras, renowned as the world's fastest AI provider, has teamed up with Core42, a G42 company specializing in sovereign cloud and AI infrastructure, to announce the global availability of OpenAI's GPT-OSS 120B model. This significant collaboration brings OpenAI's advanced open-weight model to enterprises worldwide through the Core42 AI cloud, accessible via the Compass API. The integration promises to deliver unparalleled inference speeds, supporting up to 3,000 tokens per second, which is crucial for powering enterprise-scale agentic AI applications. This partnership builds on Cerebras' pioneering work in supporting open-source models from industry leaders like OpenAI and Meta. The company has consistently achieved top-tier inference speeds, validated by independent benchmarking firm Artificial Analysis. By combining their strengths, Cerebras and Core42 are making these powerful AI capabilities accessible to enterprises and developers globally through a unified platform. The solution is powered by Cerebras' CS3 system and its groundbreaking wafer-scale engine, WSE technology. This combination sets a new standard for real-time reasoning, boasting ultra-low latency and a significantly lower cost per token compared to traditional GPU-based systems. The scalability is equally impressive, allowing for seamless transitions from experimental phases to full-scale production deployments. OpenAI's GPT-OSS 120B model itself offers remarkable reasoning power, extensive long-context understanding capabilities with up to 128K tokens, and advanced real-time functionalities. This makes it a potent tool for the open-weight ecosystem, unlocking next-generation enterprise AI use cases. From sophisticated semantic search and efficient code execution to advanced automation and decision intelligence, the model is designed to deliver real-time reasoning at an unprecedented scale. Cerebras' wafer-scale engine, WSE architecture, optimized for memory, ensures deterministic, ultra-low latency performance, all while maintaining a drastically reduced cost per token. This means enterprises can deploy the world's largest AI models for real-time inference with the flexibility to scale instantly for both intensive research and critical production workloads. For businesses, the Core42 AI Cloud offers direct access to OpenAI's most advanced open-weight model through a single, streamlined API. This empowers organizations to develop sophisticated agentic applications that demand high scalability and efficiency for mission-critical operations. Key benefits highlighted include the ability to build powerful, reasoning-capable AI systems, optimized for both performance and cost, enterprise-grade performance for demanding global workloads, enabling advanced automation and real-time experiences, and industry-leading speed for integrating GPT-OSS 120B into diverse applications like reasoning, knowledge retrieval, and long context generation. Trevor Kai, head of infrastructure at OpenAI, commented, "Together with Cerebras and Core42, we're making our best and most usable open model available at unprecedented speed and scale." This collaboration will give enterprises, researchers, and governments around the world the ability to build real-time reasoning applications with extraordinary efficiency. Andrew Feldman, CEO and co-founder of Cerebras, added, "The latest chapter in our ongoing strategic partnership with Core42 now delivers the world's most capable open-weight models directly into the hands of enterprises, researchers, and governments in the Middle East and around the globe for real-time, reasoning-capable applications." Kirill Eftimov, CEO of Core42 and Group CTO of G42, stated, "By running OpenAI GPT-OS on Cerebras hardware within Core42's AI Cloud and Compass API, we are setting a new benchmark for performance, flexibility, and compliance in AI." Industry analysts are noting the significant impact this partnership could have on the enterprise AI landscape, particularly in enabling more accessible and cost-effective deployment of advanced models. The focus on specific regional needs and the integration of powerful hardware solutions like Cerebras WSE are seen as key differentiators in a competitive market. But is faster always better when it comes to AI interaction? We're about to dive into a fascinating debate about AI personality and user experience with the latest GPT update. OpenAI's GPT-5 faces user backlash over emotionless tone, reverts to GPT-4o. OpenAI's highly anticipated GPT-5 model, touted by CEO Sam Altman as the smartest model, and possessing doctoral-level intelligence, has encountered a significant user backlash following its release. Despite the advanced capabilities, users have widely criticized the new model for its perceived lack of emotion and a more rigid robotic interaction style compared to its predecessor, GPT-4o. This sentiment has led OpenAI to offer paid users the option to revert to GPT-4o, acknowledging the user feedback and the unexpected complexities of AI-human interaction. The stark difference in user experience was highlighted through comparative examples. When prompted with the sentence, "I got scolded by my mom today," GPT-4o responded with empathy, asking what happened and offering support. "What happened? It hurts me a little to say that I got scolded by my mom. Can you tell me why you got in trouble? Let's talk together. It may not necessarily be your fault to get in trouble. I'm here, so it's okay to talk slowly." In contrast, GPT-5's response was notably brief and less engaging. "Oops, what happened? Why did you get in trouble? It's okay if you tell me." This contrast underscores a key user preference for AI that exhibits more warmth and conversational nuance. Many users reported that GPT-4o's friendly and warm communication style made them feel more connected to the AI, treating it less like a tool and more like a companion. The new GPT-5, however, was widely perceived as formal and emotionless, leading to widespread disappointment. Online forums and tech websites buzzed with discussions, with many users on platforms like Reddit even labeling GPT-5 a disaster or unfortunate. Overseas tech publications also published articles questioning why the GPT-4o version was considered superior by many. In response to the overwhelming user feedback, OpenAI made the decision to re-enable GPT-4o for paid users. CEO Sam Altman acknowledged the challenges, stating that the GPT-5 launch had more twists and turns than expected, and confirmed that efforts were underway to make GPT-5 warmer and kinder. However, the move to remove the previously available GPT-4o option for paid users without clear prior communication has also drawn criticism. Some users felt this action constituted a breach of trust, as a feature they had paid for was removed abruptly. Beyond the immediate user experience, the situation also raises broader concerns about emotional reliance on AI. Experts caution that excessive dependence on AI for emotional support could potentially lead to issues such as confusion and delusion. Conversely, some users found GPT-4o's empathetic tone to be overly flattering or even uncomfortable, preferring GPT-5's dry, concise, and work-oriented style. This divergence in preference highlights that the ideal AI communication style is subjective and depends heavily on the user's expectations and the specific task at hand. This situation emphasizes the evolving relationship between humans and AI. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, discussions about the healthiest ways to interact with these technologies are crucial. The debate over whether AI should be purely functional or also capable of emotional expression reflects differing perspectives on the role AI should play in society. While the debate rages on about AI's emotional intelligence, a new contender is making waves in the world of audio AI. Get ready to hear about an open-source model that's not just talking, but singing, whispering, and conveying emotion, all while outperforming the giants. StepFun AI unveils StepAudio 2 Mini. Open-source speech-to-speech model outperforms GPT-4o audio. StepFun AI has officially released StepAudio 2 Mini, an 8 billion parameter speech-to-speech large audio language model, LALM. This groundbreaking open-source model, available under the Apache 2 license, is engineered to deliver expressive, grounded, and real-time audio interactions. Demonstrating state-of-the-art performance, StepAudio 2 Mini surpasses leading commercial systems, including GPT-4o audio, across critical benchmarks for speech recognition, audio understanding, and conversational speech. What sets StepAudio 2 Mini apart is its innovative integration of multimodal discrete token modeling. Unlike traditional systems that rely on cascaded automatic speech recognition, ASR, large language model, LLM, and text-to-speech, TTS, pipelines, StepAudio 2 unifies text and audio tokens within a single modeling stream. This unified approach allows the model to go beyond simple transcription. It actively interprets subtle paralinguistic features such as pitch, rhythm, emotion, timbre, and speaking style. Consequently, it can generate conversations with realistic emotional tones, including whispers, sadness, or excitement, providing a much richer and more human-like interaction. Benchmark results on Step Eval Audio Paralinguistic vividly illustrate this superiority. StepAudio 2 achieved an impressive 83.1% accuracy in capturing paralinguistic features, significantly outperforming GPT-4o audio at 43.5% and QN Omni at 44.2%. This remarkable difference highlights the model's advanced capabilities in understanding and replicating the nuances of human speech. Furthermore, StepAudio 2 incorporates multimodal retrieval augmented generation, RAG. This advanced feature enables the system to perform audio search queries, allowing users to interact with and retrieve information from audio content directly. The system also extends its utility beyond mere speech synthesis by supporting tool invocation. Benchmarks indicate that StepAudio 2 matches the performance of text-only LLMs in tasks like tool selection and parameter accuracy, while uniquely excelling in audio-based tool calls, a capability previously unavailable in text-centric LLMs. The extensive large-scale training undertaken by StepFun AI ensures that StepAudio 2 Mini not only masters fine-grained audio modeling, but also retains strong text reasoning capabilities, drawing from its foundation in QN2 audio and Cozy Voice. This dual strength makes it one of the most versatile and capable open-source audio LLMs available today. With the release of StepAudio 2 Mini, StepFun AI aims to democratize access to advanced multimodal speech intelligence, making it readily available to developers and the research community. The project provides comprehensive resources, including a detailed paper and the model itself on Hugging Face, alongside tutorials, code, and notebooks on their GitHub page. Community engagement is further encouraged through their Twitter presence and a large ML subreddit. Asif Razak, CEO of MarkTech Post Media Inc., emphasizes the importance of such accessible AI tools for advancing the field, noting the platform's commitment to technically sound, yet understandable coverage of machine learning and deep learning. While this new audio model is pushing the boundaries of speech technology, another significant AI initiative is focusing on a different kind of cultural and linguistic specificity. We're now heading to Latin America to explore a project building AI for the region, by the region. Latam-GPT. Latin America develops open-source AI for regional needs. In a move towards technological sovereignty, the Chilean National Center for Artificial Intelligence, CNIA, is leading the development of Latam-GPT, an open-source large language model specifically designed for and by Latin America. This ambitious project aims to create an AI model that is deeply attuned to the unique linguistic, cultural, and contextual needs of the region, addressing a gap left by globally developed models that often overlook local specificities. Alvaro Soto, director of CNIA, emphasizes the collaborative nature of the project, stating, "This work cannot be undertaken by just one group or one country in Latin America. It is a challenge that requires everyone's participation." Latam-GPT is envisioned as an open, free, and collaborative effort, built through a 2-year bottom-up process involving citizens from across Latin America and increasingly supported by government initiatives. The project explicitly eschews direct competition with global AI giants like OpenAI and Google, focusing instead on creating a model tailored to the region's diverse dialects, historical contexts, and cultural nuances. This regional focus is underpinned by substantial data collection efforts. Through 33 strategic partnerships with institutions across Latin America and the Caribbean, the project has amassed a corpus of over 8 terabytes of text data, comprising millions of documents. This extensive dataset has enabled the development of a 50 billion parameter language model, positioning it as a competitor to models like GPT-5 and endowing it with significant capabilities in complex tasks such as reasoning, translation, and association. The training data is drawn from 20 Latin American countries and Spain, with a total of 2,645,500 documents. While data distribution reflects market sizes and digital development, with Brazil, Mexico, Spain, Colombia, and Argentina contributing significantly, the project strives for balanced regional representation. Soto explains that the initial model is expected to perform comparably to large commercial models in general tasks, but will offer superior performance on topics specifically relevant to Latin America, providing deeper knowledge of regional issues. Latam-GPT is designed as a foundational step, with plans to evolve into a family of advanced technologies, including multimodal capabilities, image and video, and larger models. The open-source nature encourages adaptation by various institutions for specific sectors like education, Colombia, health Brazil, agriculture, and culture, fostering innovation across the region. Crucially, the project leverages the supercomputing infrastructure at the University of Tarapacá, UTA, in Chile, which includes a cluster of 12 nodes with 8 NVIDIA H200 GPUs. This infrastructure, representing a significant investment, is vital for large-scale model training and promotes decentralization and energy efficiency. The first version of Latam-GPT is slated for release this year, with ongoing refinement and expansion planned as more partners join and data sets are integrated. Soto highlights the strategic importance of such a model, arguing that global AI models are insufficient for addressing Latin America's specific needs, citing an example where a global model might use George Washington instead of a regional historical figure. "We should be concerned about our own needs. We cannot wait for others to find the time to ask us what we need," he states, underscoring the need for regional self-sufficiency in AI development. This initiative is also seen as a critical tool for the scientific community, providing researchers with the necessary infrastructure to engage deeply with AI development, akin to having a resonator for studying magnetic resonance imaging. The project also addresses the challenge of data diversity, including variants of Spanish and Portuguese, and plans to incorporate indigenous languages like Mapuche and Rapa Nui in the future. Soto stresses the importance of education and critical thinking in preparing younger generations for an AI-driven future, advocating for the application of these technologies in education to address root societal problems. This regional AI initiative showcases a powerful vision for technological independence and tailored development. Now, let's wrap up our look at the week's biggest AI stories with a quick recap. That's a wrap on another incredible week in AI. We saw Cerebras and Core42 team up to bring powerful OpenAI models to enterprise clouds, revolutionizing speed and cost. Then, the user reaction to GPT-5's personality shift highlighted the crucial balance between capability and user experience, even leading to a GPT-4o rollback. We also explored the incredible potential of Step Audio 2 Mini, an open-source speech-to-speech AI that's setting new benchmarks for expressive audio interactions. Finally, Latam-GPT is forging a path for AI development tailored to regional needs, emphasizing collaboration and cultural relevance. Don't miss out on the next wave of innovation. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join our community.